Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Have you ever gotten something stuck in your eye? That gritty, scratchy, uncomfortable feeling is something I hear about every day from my patients. It's incredibly common. Over 2 million eye injuries happen every year in the US alone. Whether it's a rogue eyelash, a speck of dust, or something scarier, knowing how to safely remove foreign objects from your eye is crucial. Trust me, the last thing you want is to cause more damage trying to fix the problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 safe and effective ways to get something out of your eye. Stick around because you never know when this information might come in handy. We live in a world full of tiny particles just waiting to hitch a ride on our eyeballs. Whether it's dust, sand, or crumbs, we encounter these irritants all the time. Most of the time, our eyes do a fantastic job of naturally flushing these things out with tears. But sometimes those particles decide to get a little too comfortable and overstay their welcome. That's when things can start to get uncomfortable and potentially even a little risky if not handled properly. We've all been there. You're going about your day when suddenly you feel it, that telltale tickle of an eyelash gone rogue. The natural instinct is to start rubbing, but hold on. Rubbing your eye when something is in there is a big no-no. Instead, try these steps. Close your eye and gently hold your eyelid near your eyelashes for a few seconds to let your tears naturally wash it away. If that doesn't work, try rinsing your eye with clean water or saline solution. For those of us who wear contact lenses, we know they're a lifesaver, literally. But they can also be a bit of a pain, especially when they decide to play hide and seek in your eye. If you can't seem to get your contact out, don't panic. First, make sure your hands are clean. Then locate the lens. It might have shifted off the cornea. Once you've found it, use your fingertip to gently slide it back to the center of your eye. If it still won't budge, try using some sterile saline solution to lubricate your eye and make it easier to remove. And remember, if you're ever unsure, it's always best to consult your eye doctor. Getting a chemical in your eye is serious business. Whether it's household cleaner, gardening chemicals, or even shampoo, a chemical burn can cause serious damage. If this happens, time is of the essence. Immediately flush your eye with cool, clean water for at least 15 minutes. Don't rub your eyes, and don't try to neutralize the chemical with anything else. Once you've flushed your eye, seek medical attention immediately. Getting a bug in your eye is never fun, and it can be pretty freaky, but try to stay calm. Close your eye and allow your tears to naturally flush the insect out. If that doesn't work, try rinsing your eye with clean water or saline solution. And if the bug feels stuck or you're having trouble getting it out, don't hesitate to see a doctor. We're getting into serious territory now. If you've gotten a metal shard or any other sharp object stuck in your eye, do not attempt to remove it yourself. This is a job for the professionals. Trying to remove it yourself could cause further injury and even permanent damage. Immediately cover your eye with a clean cloth or bandage and head straight to the emergency room or your eye doctor. The beach sun, surf, and sand in your eye? It's a classic beach day bummer, but don't let it ruin your fun. If you get sand in your eye, avoid rubbing. Instead, close your eye and allow your tears to naturally wash it out. If that doesn't work, try rinsing your eye with clean water or saline solution. And if the irritation persists, see a doctor. So there you have it, 7 ways to safely remove something stuck in your eye. Remember, your vision is precious, so always err on the side of caution. If you're ever unsure about something, or if you experience any pain, redness, or vision changes, don't hesitate to reach out to a medical professional. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos on health, wellness, and all things medical. And as always, thanks for watching.